and we are on a path to sustain growth and stability. Contrary to the reports you get, we are making progress. The Nigerians go and conquer the world.
That's right.
Nigeria no go carry
Last. Yep.
the economy is growing. And be rest assured that we'll have a very robust engagement with my boss when we get back home. Honestly, we are not tapping into our diaspora.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We ought to do much better. Nigeria, that's why the action is. Beams was talking about food crisis in 2050. By that 2050, some of you are holding American passport. By 2050, Nigeria will surpass the United States, the third most populous nation. And by the end of the century, Nigeria will be the most populous nation on earth. They are guilty in numbers. And we are a rich country. We have no business being poor. Wherever I go, whenever I meet foreign delegations or anything, I tell them no. I carry my poverty with dignity. I'm not coming here with a begging bowl. No. I want to deal with you on a pedestal of equality. My country is rich. I have no business being poor.
Right.
Our entire ecological zones. There are certain parts of Nigeria, if money is to be grown, believe me, you can grow money in Kebbi. You can grow money in Niger State.
Yes.
In terms of natural endowments, we have 44 different mineral resources in Nigeria. You mentioned the state of Michigan. We'll partner with you. The local government where Dr. Yusuf Sunono held from, you need to scratch the earth just for 5-10 meters. You will get lithium. The whole local government is a lithium local government.
Wow.
Chapter corner. And we are on a path to sustain peace. There are robust investments to re-engineer and refocus the economy. The East Coast Road is a multi-million-dollar investment that will open up the south to the east corridor of the country. And we can build a resort. Our coastline is 762 kilometers. And now I believe Nigeria is on the right track. In the fullness of time, will occupy a rightful place in the community of nations. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for believing in us. But before we come back, I want you to mobilize the Nigerian community. Please, for the sake of humanity, mobilize them.
We have the Diaspora Investment Summit, which takes place November 11th every year, where they all come together and see where they can invest. And people like him and him have been investing in Nigeria. We have the Diaspora Day, where they all come together. We had a fantastic event this year. We also have the data mapping portal. And there are programs for you, for instance, the Diaspora Mortgage, where you can get 50 million naira mortgage to own your own homes. And we've created a portal where you don't need to be duped to own your own home. So many things for the diaspora under this administration. So thank you all very much. And
Adebimpe Daniels.
Okay, we have listened to the VP as somebody in the diaspora. What will you be telling other diasporans about the growth, economic growth happening in Nigeria?
So, first of all, this gathering, like the other gentleman said, is unprecedented. And it means that the government knows the hidden gems they have in the diaspora, and they understand the importance of engaging them. I am an AI engineer with Amazon Web Services for over 7 years, and I see a lot of data. And Nigeria is very well positioned we are the giant of Africa, no question. We are the most populous black nation, country in the whole world. And not only that, we have the human capacity, and everywhere we go, currently in the US, Nigeria has the largest most educated ethnic population. And right now, all the Ivy Leagues, the optic of admission is no longer the Asians, now is the Nigerians. And enough of the brain drain. Nigeria is not waiting to be handed over what it has lost. Now it's taking it back. And we can only take it back when the diasporans that has the skills, like myself, come together to say, we need to go back and invest and direct all our resources back home, which is why I was inspired in 2020 when Amazon opened their AWS office in Nigeria, whereby they provide the structural infrastructure to the whole ecosystem. Anything technical that you wish to do, they have the ecosystem to help facilitate that, which is why I thought about bringing up an initiative called Smart Farming in a way to help us transform the way we do mechanized farming in Nigeria. Because we have three important factors to our advantage. One is the people. We have the largest, one of the countries that has the largest youthful population in the whole world. So when you see China and other countries coming to invest, it's not by accident, because any country that has the potential to grow, it lies in the number of the youthful population. So we have that. Everybody's on smartphone, which we have a mini computer in our hands that we can use to run and facilitate such initiative. So everybody can grow their food from where they are. They can monitor, they can, predict, and also be able to know what to farm in a particular soil at what time and make predictions, and be able to even research what kind of disease that is prevalent in that area and also be connected to the fertilizer. So we have the land, we have the weather, and everything that we need. So why not Nigerians in the diaspora coming back, even from right here, to invest and make changes? Thank you.
My name is Olajobi Makinwa.
Olajobi.
Makinwa, yes.
Talk to us about, what we've heard from the Vice President and how it has helped build Nigerians in diaspora's belief in what is going on in the country.
Yes, I mean, fantastic, that the Vice President interacted with some Nigerians here. That's really, really super. And in terms of what is going on in Nigeria, the economy, we were told. And I really want to commend the government for what the government is doing, but we can still do more so that the people can feel the impact of what is happening. And I believe, the power of the diaspora. There are people within the diaspora that can contribute effectively in the country. So it's important for the engagement of the diaspora in what's happening in Nigeria. And the African Union itself, created the diaspora, and we have the diaspora office. So it's not only meetings, but in terms of investment, in terms of people who are working in different areas, who can contribute effectively in Nigeria, they should be consulted so that they can work, and we can work together. Not one person can do this, We need to come together, the private sector, the civil society, the government, the diaspora. Yes, indeed, we do have what it takes to make Nigeria a great country. And we will, by the grace of God, get to that. Amen.
Thank you.